sometime last year. I bought this Wavlink. This is the AC200. Actually, this was the second one. The first one I bought was this one, same model, but this one was struck by lightning, so the warranty was not yet due, so they sent me this one. Even this one was struck by lightning too. This is the motherboard for this one. So as you can see, let's take a close look. You see this one, they are missing cables right here. So what happened is, when I connected this one to the power supply, the power supply light was dim. There was a short. So on the older one, this one, I started looking for a short circuit, so I started popping off capacitors looking for a short. So I had the power supply connected to see which cap, when I pop the cap, like which one was causing the short. So I started popping up caps, popping off caps, popping off caps. As you can see here, popping off caps over here until I got to this section. Then I popped this cap and the short was gone. And that's where I knew this was the short cap. And I did it the bad way. I advise you to not do this. Like if you're hunting for a short circuit, please don't do it like this. Me, I did like this way because I knew I had the extra one. So when I pop off this cap right here, the short was gone. Then I took my other board and I pop off that cap, and guess what? The router was back working. I'll replace the cap right here, just in case the same issue comes around. And I'm gonna add it because all my routers, I didn't add them, so I'm gonna add an add right here.